Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first official video, so I'll be introducing myself. I'm Francis, also known as the Arrow Guy, and on this channel, I'm going to be sharing errors I face in every aspect of my design and development, and also solutions I found to them. Because I feel like we'll run into similar errors daily, and I think I can be of assistance to one or two people by sharing my errors. So I'd like you guys to come along for the ride. And this is relatively new, but if you enjoyed this video, if it helps you, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you would like, please subscribe to promote the channel. So I'll be going right into it. Today, I will be treating something I think is quite simple, but could also be really terrifying. I call it the Figma disappearing text error. It's really funny. I know. Yeah, I that's how it seemed to me. So I just like, okay, it's apparent text. All right. So how to recreate this error, so to say, is by actually importing a sketch file to your Figma. Like probably you're working on design and you want to use a sketch, like you want to edit a sketch to your taste or something like that, and you get it, but then text is missing. All right, so let me just recreate it and show you. So I'll go to Chrome. I'll check a sketch repo real quick. SketchUp resources just to get a sketch that can work. So I'm going to be searching chatting because I want to get a chat app and all. All right. So this looks pretty simple and clean. I've also already tried it and it gives me the error. So let's just download it together. So I'll download resource. It's pretty small, so yeah, it gets downloaded really fast. That's done. So then you go to, of course, your downloads folder. I'm using a Windows, but if you have a Mac, you probably also know where your downloads get like stored. So just go there and you extract because it's a zip file. All right, so that's done. So I know where it is. It's right here. Then I go up on my Figma and import it. Import. All right, so it's importing. Done. So now our sketch is imported, and there it is. On let me just open it up for you guys to see. So this is it. This looks like a dummy, or like a dummy sketch actually, cause there's no text and makes the whole thing look rather weird, so to say. So the and also the images are just loading up. So let's go back to Chrome real quick and look at what we just downloaded. Yeah, this is what we should be expecting. Something exactly like this with text in our chat, but we are getting this. So that's why I call it the Figma disappearing text error. So this is actually pretty simple to solve. All you need to do is come right here and search. So what you search select all text layers. That's it. Select all text layers. And it selects all your text layers. Here is the problem. The reason why this error is actually showing up is because you currently don't have the fonts that were used in developing this sketch. So because your Figma can't find those fonts, it just doesn't render it at all. So what you do is right here, the person has used several different fonts, I guess, but then so it's giving me this mixed as my font. But then like for my font style, but then you can just select one general. Then if you need to change it to adjust it to your taste, you can adjust them individually. So right now I'm just going to go with raw bottle because that's like the default here, and voila, all my text is back, just like that. So I hope this helps you. This is the Figma disappearing text error. Like I said earlier, my name is Francis, also known as the Error Guy, and I would really love to have you guys join me on this channel. If this video was helpful, or if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you like. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.